Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Right now, we're looking at the rules of divisibility, and today we're going to apply the divisibility rule of 7. And it works this way. Double the last digit, and then subtract it from the other digits. Okay? And so with that in mind, if we look at these numbers right here, like 875, 728, 294, 322, they don't look like numbers that can be divisible by 7, but they are because what we're going to do, we're going to apply this rule right here, and I'll restate it. Double the last digit, then subtract it from the other digits. Now let's take a look at big example 1 to apply that rule. And so let's say we have 875. Let's take that 5 and double it or multiply it by 2. And when we do that, we get 10, right? And so now we have 87 minus 10 will give us 77. And guess what? 77 we know is divisible by 7 because 77 divided by 7 will give us 11. All right, because we know that, then we know that 875 is also divisible by 7. And when we do that, we will arrive at 125. Okay, so when you apply it, and you can take a look at this example right here, that 125 times 7 will give us 875. All right, so let's move on to big example 2. And we have 728, and we're going to double that last digit or multiply it by 2. And we know that 72 minus 16 will give us 56. We know that 56 is divisible by 7 because 56 divided by 7 will give us 8. And that lets us know that 728 is also divisible by 7. And when we look right here, we will see that 728 divided by 7 will give us 104. Now let's take a look at big example 3 in which we have 294. And let's take that last digit, and you guessed it, multiply it by 2. And then we're going to subtract it from the other two digits. And so now we have 29 minus 8 will give us 21. And we know that 21 divided by 7 will give us 3. And that lets us know that 294 is also divisible by 7 with an answer of 42 that you see right here. And let's move on to our final big example 4. And let's see if 322 is divisible by 7 by multiplying that last digit by 2. And we notice that 32 minus 4 will give us 28. And we know that 28 divided by 7 will give us 4. And that lets us know that 322 is divisible by 7, which will give us an answer of 46. And here's a note. This rule does not work for two-digit numbers divisible by 7, okay? And so what that means is you just can't use a two-digit number. You have to use a multi-digit number to find out how and see how this number is divisible by 7. All right, you have received a lot of information, and I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at these 4 big examples or replay this video as many times you need to get a deeper understanding of divisibility by 7. And in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you, and goodbye.